Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel OzonePrivacy. In today's video, we are going to discuss about a machine learning algorithm known as random forest algorithm. I have already done a series of videos in machine learning with the practical demonstration in detail. I give the playlist link in the description, do check it out. In short, machine learning means we enable the machine to learn automatically from the experience and improve its performance based on the experience. In machine learning, there are three main types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Random forest algorithm is a supervised machine learning algorithm. It is mainly used for classification and regression. First of all, it creates multiple decision trees and combining each tree's result to get more accurate and stable prediction. Okay, now what is decision tree? It is also a supervised machine learning algorithm. It is also used for classification and regression. But it makes the decision by splitting data into smaller subsets based on the condition and formatting like a tree structure. Decision tree consists of three types of nodes: root node, internal node, branches, and leaf node. Root node, the starting point of the tree. It has no branches. The initial split is performed here. Internal or decision node. These nodes represent a test or decision on a specific attribute or feature. Branches. These connect nodes and represent the outcome or value of the test at the internal node. At last, leaf node or terminal node. These are the final nodes of the tree and represent the final decision prediction or the class label. Let's consider a decision tree for predicting whether a customer will buy a product based on the age, income, and previous purchase history. First, root node is the person's income is greater than 50,000. If yes, proceed to the next question. If no means no purchase. Then comes to the internal node. If the person's income is greater than 50, then ask if the person is above 30 age. If yes, proceed to the next question. No means no purchase. If the person is above 30 and he has not made previous purchase means predict no purchase. This is how the decision tree algorithm works. Likewise, in random forest algorithm, it builds multiple decision tree like the above decision tree and combining the output of the entire decision tree and produce a more accurate and stable result. How the algorithm works. The process works in two main phases: the forest creation and making prediction. First of all, the algorithm randomly creates multiple subsets to replace the training data set. This process is known as bagging. After that, it selected random subset of features from each point. The full decision tree is built for each of the selected data and feature subsets. Each tree makes different rules, prediction based on the specific subsets. Then comes to the final part, making prediction. It runs through every single tree in the forest. When new data needs a classification or prediction, each tree outputs its own result. For classification, the final output is determined by the majority vote of all the trees. For regression, the final output is average of all the trees' prediction. Having advantages like high accuracy, reduces overfitting, and handles large data sets. And also it is effective in handling missing data sets. Having disadvantages like slow prediction, it requires long training period and also uses high memory. I hope I explained the random forest algorithm in detail and clear. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries, comment below. Thank you for watching.